Azure and AWS are both major cloud computing platforms, and they share many similarities, but there are also some differences between them. Here are some key points of comparison. Market share. AWS has been in the market for longer than Azure, and as a result, it has a larger market share. According to recent market reports, AWS has a 32% market share, while Azure has a 20% market share. Services. Both platforms offer a wide range of services, including computing, storage, and databases. AWS has a slightly larger selection of services, including more niche services like Amazon Poly for text-to-speech. But Azure has a better integration with Microsoft tools like Office 365. Pricing. The pricing of both platforms is competitive, but they differ slightly in their pricing models. AWS typically charges for services on a per-hour basis, while Azure charges on a per-minute basis. Additionally, Azure offers some services, such as virtual machines, at a lower cost than AWS. User interface. Both platforms have their own user interfaces. AWS has a more complex interface, but it also offers more detailed information about its services. Azure has a more streamlined interface that may be easier for beginners to navigate. Support. Both platforms offer support options, including documentation, forums, and paid support plans. AWS has a more extensive support system, including a dedicated support team and a larger community of developers. Ultimately, the choice between Azure and AWS will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you are already using Microsoft tools and services, Azure may be a better fit. If you need a wider range of services or a larger support network, AWS may be the better option.